All right, so I just stumbled upon this really cool tool called ClojureCivitas. It's like a playground for coding ideas.
Wait, what? So it's not just a project management tool. What exactly can you do with it?
Yeah, you can fork a repo, create your own namespace, and just dive into coding without all that setup hassle. That's wild.
I love that. So it's all about making it easier to share thoughts and experiments? That's super intuitive.
Exactly. You can capture notes and ideas as you go along, almost like journaling while you code.
That's really interesting because it could encourage more collaborative coding, like sharing your process, not just the results.
Right. And sharing is simple too. You just create a pull request, and once it's merged, boom, it's on the ClojureCivitas website for everyone to see.
No way. So your experimentation literally contributes to a community resource. That feels so empowering.
For sure. Plus, it aligns perfectly with Clojure's values of simplicity and community. It's like growing together.
I never thought about community in coding quite like that. It's a whole new level of collaboration.
And the metadata aspect is pretty cool too. You can categorize your ideas with tags, so it's easier to search and find things later.
Oh, now I see it. It's not just about coding, but about building a web of connections, like organizing your thoughts into a library.
Exactly, and those namespaces are crucial. They guide us through what the content is about instead of just how it's categorized.
So it's all about logical organization, right? I like that idea. It makes searching so much smoother.
Absolutely. They emphasize that linear sequences in blog posts are reconstructed through metadata, not just file names or folders.
Wow, that changes everything. Not tying content to a directory means way more flexibility.
And think about this. It's designed to grow organically. As ideas evolve, you can adapt without losing track.
That's actually kind of scary, but exciting. It removes rigid structures that can stifle creativity.
Right? And even though it promotes flexibility, it enables richer discovery through comprehensive metadata.
Speaking of discovery, what do you think of the visualization capabilities? Isn't that a game changer?
Definitely. You can visualize your workflow with tables and charts, turning complex data into digestible insights.
It's like taking a chaotic data set and bringing clarity to it. Imagine how that could help in teaching and learning.
Exactly. Imagine a classroom with students visualizing concepts in real time as they code. It's so engaging.
And it could bridge gaps in understanding. If you can see the data, it often makes more sense.
Totally. And the fact that contributors are invited is key. Everyone's perspective matters in this space.
I love that. It seems to cultivate a collaborative spirit, everyone pitching in their unique ideas.
And think about this. It sets a precedent for reproducibility, which is huge in scientific environments.
True. Sharing reproducible results could revolutionize the way we approach coding research.
Yep. And with the emphasis on simplicity, it appeals not just to seasoned coders, but newbies too.
So it's like a gateway for learning. You can contribute while still learning the ropes. That's super important.
For sure. I think it aligns perfectly with the shift towards open source learning environments.
I didn't realize how much ClojureCivitas could impact coding culture. Such a fresh perspective.
Let's not forget about the potential for networking. Imagine meeting other contributors and sharing thoughts beyond coding.
Exactly. It fosters community learning where everyone can grow in their craft together.
So if we put all this together, Civitas isn't just a tool, it's a whole ecosystem for cultivating ideas.
That's a brilliant way to look at it. It's about evolving together, not just isolated coding.
And the fact that you could link practical coding with collaborative knowledge building is exciting.
I'm really inspired by all this. It brings a whole new light to how we perceive coding communities.
So, what do you think this means for the future of coding collaboration in education?
Wow, that's a thought-provoking question. It feels like this could redefine how we engage in learning and sharing.
Definitely. And I think it's just the tip of the iceberg in transforming how we connect through code.
Yeah, I can't wait to see how more developers and learners jump onto this platform.
Right? This conversation just ignited so much curiosity. I want to explore more.
Same here. Let's keep digging. There's so much more to uncover in this vibrant space.